just be disgusting.
Yay! This is a RC car. Like
a dog's cock. I know that's in your radar, isn't it?
Guys, stop talking about dogs' cocks. Okay? Just, yeah.
Have you seen him walking down the street?
Just shut up.
Oh, look at that Rottweiler.
Okay.
Oh, he's got a massive one.
Shut up.
Alex.
Okay.
You started it.
Guys, seriously, shut
Someone
up.
else said it.
Alright, okay, so this is random car number 1. Well, 11.
How much was that car?
How much is you?
Me?
Yeah.
I was 24.
I was 24.95. Yeah, so
Do you like my bra?
yeah, he's got a nice bra on, doesn't it? I only came to see
take this
beach
bit
volleyball.
off. And then these down. Look. That hurts, doesn't it?
So,
Wait, stop it. Stop the car, okay?
this is
And
Burgular
go.
Beast.
Can I go driving it now?
No,
Okay.
because I asked
Okay,
first.
so this is Alex, who's going to be driving it for 15 seconds.
I've been waiting before Craggy Island to have a go.
Okay. I'm not going to have a massive go, Ollie.
Okay, and then, hang on.
No! Oh, let's see how much dust I can pick up. Can I make a crater? Okay.
If you bring that back a bit.
Oh, I want to
Okay,
see my crater.
go.
Oh, let's have a go now.
Look at those.
Look, you won't be able to see that, but that goes up like that.
Up the ramp. The whole way round.
Okay. So here it's a fail. Still see?
Oh, you're making another crater.
Okay. Okay, now Ollie's turn. Okay, Ollie, have a go quickly. Hang on. Okay, there you go. Whoa, you may not be able to see it, but this screen is... Oh, in fact, no, you won't be able to see. But my screen is completely covered. Completely covered. Here, up the slide. Okay. Oh, let's do that. On camera. Okay.
Oh, the burger.
Ah! Give me the car! Give me the iPhone, I'm gonna murder you! I'm gonna murder you!
Oh, come on. Boring now.
Okay, Alex, nice joke.
What do you mean? Oh no, Ollie, that wasn't because of the burglar thing. That was because of that was because I wanted it to be on camera.
Take that, big burglar. Yeah. Okay, so this is basically running around with videos.
Oh my god, the steering's rubbish on this thing.
No, it. Okay. See ya.